This is Adrian Hart with your Southeast Colorado News on seconews.org. We're in Ordway, Colorado for the 2023 Crowley County Days Parade. There's our American Legion bringing the colors on through, leading the way. Our live stream, of course, a presentation of H&R Block of La Junta and Lamar. Reflexology and massage with Hart. And Pueblo Hail and Dent Repair. There's our American Legion post presenting those colors, leading the way for the 2023 Crowley County Days Parade. Here's our veterans, the American Legion post. Of course, you can find lots of local veteran news, award ceremonies, and more. Join us for holidays with the American Legion. Hey, and parades. Here's our Crowley County Days Grand Marshal, Bill Gray, and family, the wagon load. Miss Ordway 1953, Clara Glenn Marcus, driven by Kay Gillen. There she's waving, she sees us now. Beautiful, I love the hat. Now that's a nice green on that truck. International. Here we go. Our friends at First National Bank. More than a bank, part of the community. You can, of course, see their grand opening on our YouTube channel and our Facebook page. Our good friends with the First National Bank. More than a bank, part of the community. Supporting seconews.org. The Crowley County Nursing Center, of course, escorting the Silver King and Queen nominees, Mr. and Mrs. Wenzel. Oh, look, we got Vacation Bible School. That looks like a Tomkey Mustang to me. That's a beautiful Mustang. Vacation Bible School, July 31st through August 3rd. 5 p.m. dinner, 5:30 to 8:30. Ages 4 to 6. Great. Beautiful little Mustang there. Here's Representative Ty Winter, Colorado House 47.
How you doing this morning?
Doing good. The Farm Bureau of Crowley County. Farm Bureau Colorado, excuse me, Crowley County branch. There's some sirens. We've already seen a couple emergency response vehicles, and kind of noteworthy, I haven't heard the sirens blaring. Here's Crowley County Engine 1. Some cheerleaders up there. Oh, there we go, weenie dog races. I wonder if that's the defending champion coming up 3 o'clock at the fairgrounds. Here comes our Arkansas Valley Fair royalty, lady in waiting, Taylor Mendenhall. Our senior princess, Brianna McElroy. You get my picture. Yeah. And here comes the trailer with all those sponsors. Of course, Perkins notably kicking in there on that one. And a lot of our supporters on there too. Oh, here we go, guys. Here's Crowley County class of 1963, 60 years, fishing for 65, it says. And he was pointing back here. That is a nice ride in the parade this morning. Here's Ordway Building Supply, serving you for 48 years. Here we go. Whole bus, another bus load. Looks like we still got some parade to go. Of course, our live stream sponsored by Reflexology Massage with Hart, H&R Block of La Hunt and Lamar, Pueblo, Hale, and Dent. Here's Otero College Child Development Services, Early Head Start, Migrant and Seasonal. They've got a lot of programs serving the community. CDS, Head Start. Here's a class of 1970. They're gonna wave big.
Who are you people? There's no freaking sign.
Class of 1970.
Sign. Man Weiler. Man Weiler.
Oh. Parade with its hecklers. Good time. Looks like we got a stall here. Oh, is this what's going on? It looks like that's what's going on. Are they pushing this truck? Trying to push start, maybe? Sorry. Yeah, that's exactly what they're doing. Usually you'd think a flathead or something would be running that. Oh, we're turning. They didn't push the whole parade, but I'm still pretty impressed. That was really good. Engine 10. Here's brush truck number 12. Here's Olney Springs Volunteer Fire Department. Throwing the candy. Oh man. And they're still pushing over here. Here's the Sugar City Volunteer Fire Department. Support your local first responders. Absolutely. You can see them in action. We've got a playlist dedicated to Southeast Colorado's first responders. Right there on the Seco News YouTube channel. Oh, they got it started. We're missing the little victory dance over here. Lots of action. They got the old truck started again. Here's the town of Ordway Volunteer Fire Department. That's a classic right there. Still looking good. He doesn't need a push today. Handing out the popsicles today. Here's the Crowley County Ambulance. There we go. Med 2, Crowley County Ambulance. Here's Med 3. Here's the Manzanola Fire Protection District. We've got some pictures of that truck on the website. A mutual agreement. It's like they show up for parades too, folks. There's the siren. That's what we're looking for. And check it out. They're running again and returning. Oh no! Oh, it died again. Oh, it almost had a start there. There we go. Thanks, man. Oh, it wasn't even you. Oh, they're started again. All right. Great seeing the people of Ordway and Crowley County come together to push this parade on down the road. Great stuff. Definitely some of my favorite parade footage today. And here goes Van. Of course, he occasionally sends us some pictures, and you can see those on seconews.org. One of our local volunteer firefighters. Really quite the shutterbug, too. He's going to give me a hard time for calling him a shutterbug, I can tell. Here's the Rocky Ford Rural Fire Protection District. Oh, thanks. You almost got me. Here's Fowler. These guys all look good in red, if you ask my opinion. He's got the constant wave going there, hitting both sides at once. Good stuff. Here's True to You Construction, Steve Trujillo. Well, they look like they got a pretty well-constructed float to me. True to You Construction. Oh, and they're showing off the equipment too. Here's the class of 2003. Here comes Goal High School. They're going to be participating in the art project coming up in La Junta, September the 8th, 9th, and 10th. Goal High School. Of course, you can check out the mural they've got up right now, downtown La Junta. Cheers and cheers at all the parades here. Some cheers for Crowley County FFA. Hey, here's our friends at Arkansas Valley Hospice. We'll see if we could get Charlie to wave at us maybe. There you go. Of course, they're big supporters of seconews.org. And they actually sponsor our obituary categories. So that's a free service we provide, courtesy of Arkansas Valley Hospice Incorporated. Homegrown and deep-rooted. Pretty nice looking Suburban. Oh, it's Casa. Hi. Our friends from Casa, of course. Casa rocks. Here's Wild Rock Rods. Spinning, fly casting, saltwater, Wild Rock Rods at yahoo.com. And check these guys out. He's got the boot. He's fishing for something. They've been throwing candy, I don't know. How about that little ride? Here's our Crowley County Chargers football team. Classic Mopar there. Plymouth Roadrunner. Oh, here we go. That looks like fun. Wild thing. Lakeview Motorsports Park. Of course, join them for their crazy Colorado Cross kart racing this afternoon. I think that one's got the paint job on it since the last time we had it on Seco News. Some of these figure 8 racers. Good stuff. Lakeview Motorsports Park. Of course, you can check out some footage from their most recent Circle 8 Figure 8 jump race. And of course, yep, we'll be following these guys to the fair. Oh my goodness. Is that a Lincoln? That looks like a Lincoln. Here's the World of Rednecks guys with Lakeview Motorsports Park. They've got their kart racing going on this afternoon. Texting and driving in the parade in a race car. Good stuff. I'll bet these guys are going to catch some air today, is what it looked like from the trial run videos I was watching. Always a nice crowd here. Great turnout. Again, we'd like to thank our broadcast sponsors today. Pueblo Hail and Dent, Reflexology and Massage with Hart, and H&R Block of La Junta and Lamar, bringing you our live stream broadcast of the 2023 Crowley County Days Parade in beautiful downtown Ordway, Colorado, with your Southeast Colorado news on seconews.org. I'm Adrian Hart.